Hi Samuel, I'm Kayla. Tell me about Alfa Laval's new Troubleshooting Assistance tool. Exactly what is it?
Well, as you know, Alfa Laval heat exchangers are known for their reliability, but sometimes they might not perform exactly as expected. When that happens, of course you want to find out why. This tool makes it easy.
Sounds intriguing. How does it work?
Well, you start by scanning the QR code on your compa block or spiral heat exchanger to gain access. If there is no QR code on your heat exchanger, you can enter the serial number manually instead. Once you have done that, the tool will guide you through a series of questions. Your answers will help diagnose the problem and determine whether it's something simple that you can address yourself or something that requires professional service. Either way, Troubleshooting Assistance will let you know.
Well, it seems that all I need to do to get my heat exchanger back up and running is retighten the bolts to match the values.
Yes, that's it.
But what if Troubleshooting Assistance can't identify my problem? Then what?
In that case, you will be prompted to contact the Alfa Laval service team, who will schedule a remote guidance or even a visit at their earliest availability.
Okay, great. One last question. What's it going to cost me?
Not a thing. This is a service that Alfa Laval wants to provide to all of our customers, so they'll have access to service and advice 24/7 free of charge.
Well, you can't beat that. Thanks, Samuel.
My pleasure.